Hi again. Welcome to the garage. I'm Pierre. This week, not much machining because this week we had a little bit unexpected, some big shipload of snow. We never got so much since I think I remember the maybe the 80s or 70s or something, which sometimes we had a few very good storms. The Maritimes regularly get much more than we do. The eastern part of the country where it's closer to the ocean, so the humidity just saturates the air more with bad bad condition. I mean wet conditions. So I'll show you a few pictures. I got some pictures just maybe an hour in the storm when the wind was really picking up and the snow was starting to fall and really get some kind of a little blizzard type accumulation. And we'll see a few hours after, the morning after, about 15 hours later, started shoveling too. And that was kind of a job. I had to go for a nap after. I know the young ones don't need to do that, but poor me, I had to do my nap. But got the wife out of the driveway, and we're coming back to life. Let's see a few pictures of that. There's about over 3 feet of snow there. Tonight we're not making a barbecue. And this is a 1 day. Looks nice, but I'm starting to hate this. Starting to hear some people just get their snow blowers out and getting out of their misery.
Okay, the tunnel has started, almost a tunnel. Everything like there's 50 shades of gray, but this is 50 shades of white. Going to the garage. I'm not there yet. See, that shovel is about over a meter high. And yeah, the snow is, I don't know, I'll measure it later. Give you some update on that. Can't go any further yet. This should give you an idea of how much snow there is. So all along here, there's about 1 meter of snow, about 36 to a little bit over 36 inches, like 40 inches. Right up to the garage. There was a garbage pail there. It's gone over somewhere like, I'll show. Yeah, invisible. Everything was clean. We're right to the grass. The garbage pail is right there. I think it's windy. Oh boy. Not fun at all. Don't I hate winter? And on the snow on the roof, there's quite a lot of snow there. I think I'll have to. Oh boy, that's heavy on the house. That's not good. Okay, now if we get from the garage to the house. We can't come from the front of the house. There's still like over a meter of snow there, about 40 something inches of snow. But the deepest part. This shovel is about a meter point one high and about 52 inches high. So there's lots of snow there. This all came in one night, less than 24 hours. Last time I seen this, I was like, I don't know, 40 years ago at least. That little fireplace there. I'm not gonna do a little fire soon in there. And barbecues, yeah, we'll forget that for a while too.
Okay, I know I'm not as good as Harold with Cooter and Bubba, but anyway, maybe I think this one's not too bad. It's in Vermont, this tourist season's not very long, so only lasts a few months. So the people there, they try to take advantage of the short season to make provisions of money for the year. So there's this guy. He's a tourist. He walks around and he goes in the woods a little bit with his dog, and the dog comes back, and he had a severe encounter with a porcupine, and full of pricklers, few bites. So the guy ends up with his dog at the local veterinarian office, and veterinarian spends a few hours removing the pricklers, fixing the dog, a few sutures and everything. So we say, sorry, your dog's gonna be pretty all right, no problem, and it's gonna be like $1,500. Guys, how you trying to rip me off? I mean, you get tourists here and you rip them off like it's It's you know, it's no reason to steal us. You know, what you do all year round, and when we're not here anymore, we breed porcupines.